Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most blessings, salawat and salam, I will say to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the light. So today I want to share about my project from AI schedule generator. So before we start with my project, you must know about my components of my project. So my project is from Flutter, and then there is some services in here. There is a Gemini service dot dart, Google Calendar underscore service dot dart, and persistence service underscore dot dart. And then from the UI from the page UI from page for page, there is a underscore screen dot dart and schedule result underscore dot dart. So my we look for the models, this underscore schedule underscore dot dart, and then task completion dot dart and task. So the schedule, I think I have ID, task ID and raw content, and then formatted content and generated ad. Yeah, I think this is for format for the table. Yes, there is ID, task ID, raw content, and generated ad, and then it can copy it that required this ID and others, and then uh, and also get all duration, and then task completion there is a string that time in the actually for the real time, and then ID task ID complete at duration time. And then from the task dot dart, there is a ID name, priority, duration, and created at. And then I have a habit story, but it's not. I think it's not running because there is a problem in my project. And then I have a lip. Oh no no. I have a provider. Yes, it is a home provider where uh, the current schedule or loading state or message, it's logic. It's a place for the logic of my project, and a task required and update task is also can be it, but uh, it is the delete feature is not running for my project also, and the theme is crucial for your application. So my dark mode before is false, so the actually is white theme, and then I have a services Gemini service dart from import HTTP, and then API config for the super API from .env, and then I have a Gemini Plus generative language. It is for endpoint Gemini API. Yes. You it is a crucial a link because little typo it can make sure it can impact for your project. And then the validation of API key, there is API key, it's not initials, called the API config initials in on main.dart. And then I setting the maximize tokens for a full day 24 schedule plus detailed notes. Yes, can I config the max output tokens, yeah. And then handle response and the prompt, you must take a prompt for your project. I give wellness mental tips, wellness and tips success for that today that day. And then Google Calendar service is for export. I use a format directly to Google Calendar, and the title is you can also choose the uh, same title or other title, up to you. And then details also and dates, and region I choose Asia or Jakarta. And then I have a persistence. It is for I think the place of logic also. And then I have a home screen, and this is I think the UI for UI. Okay, so we and then I have main.dart for device preview. And then I have NV. Yes, it is a API configuration. It is not running, yeah, I'm sorry, it is not running. So the it is fake, it's not running, so you can delete also. And then this is crucial for your generate from AI. So we start also in here. Okay, you can type your terminal with Flutter, Flutter run, and then you can choose Chrome for your project. Okay, we wait for in here. Okay, it is a UI for the home screen. So that from here, yes, home screen, or yes, home screen. It is the month and the day, and then the calendar filter coming soon inside also, and settings also. Then you can add tasks for AI schedule generator, and then you can choose meeting for time 45, and then hike you can choose meeting by uh, principal. You can create tasks also. And then you can also get many tests, yes. And then you can also directly to generate schedule from A to AI. So the generate schedule is from UI schedule result screen. There is motivation, success tip, wellness tips, and it is the import you must require for your, maybe when you want to when you want to build your own project. And then this is the icon for wellness, success, and motivation. And then I get efficiency score also, and then the show snack bar. This application to Google Calendar, header, daily agenda, and meetings. Yes, like this. Okay. The daily agenda already uh, created. So it is the description for the UI of page, and today 5 March, and efficiency score 95%. So I have a task from the time for from 00 and 05.00 for deep sleep. It is the I have a priority, critical, and task activity. Uh, we wake up and do prayer, and then with a small gym, and then take a bath, and then deep work, meeting, and uh, evaluation, and dinner, have, and breakfast also, and others. And then I have a success tips from AI. So we it is for your wellness tips. Yes, it is for 2 minutes long, and then for the lunch, and uh, prepare for the meeting. And then I have a motivation uh, sentence from most people. And then you can also regenerate the schedule. So the regenerate schedule, you must do back in your home screen return. So we check again for the regenerate schedule, and then you can also choose a preview. Yes, you can also choose a tablet, and iPhone or iPhone SE, so it's no problem for the UI. You can also export to calendar. So this is to export to Google Calendar. There is Western and Indonesia, and then I have the schedule from 00 until you sleep again, the beginning cyclus, and then tips of wellness and mental health, and the tips for success from the day, and motivation. You can also sleep save for from a to that day saving. Okay, yes, like this. Yes, it is for the image on the Google Calendar. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.